Hi children, today let us compare two measurements. What are they? Bigger, smaller. We're going to look at some pictures and learn bigger, smaller. Identify the picture that is bigger, smaller. This is smaller than that. That is bigger than that. Measurement. We are learning to compare two measurements, smaller one with the bigger one or bigger one with the smaller one. Yes, we're going to enjoy today looking at objects, things, whatever comes up, the pictures, learning to compare and see for yourself, learn for yourself, bigger and smaller. Let's look at the measurement of things that comes up for you. Our first picture is, look, we have two books here. What are we doing? We are comparing. What are we comparing? Which is smaller? Definitely this is smaller. Which is bigger than that? This book is bigger. So we say this book is smaller than this book, or this book is bigger than this book. We are comparing two sizes. This is small, this is big. Bigger, smaller. Which is smaller? This book is smaller than this. Good. Did you enjoy now? We are comparing. Yes, we are learning measurements. Bigger, smaller. Let's look at our next picture. Look. We love cone ice cream. We have here two strawberry cone ice creams. One is a small. So we say this cone ice cream is smaller than this cone ice cream. Or you say this strawberry cone ice cream is bigger than this cone ice cream. Bigger, smaller. Bigger and smaller. Bigger ice cream, smaller ice cream. Which one do you like? Would you want the smaller ice cream or the bigger ice cream? Choose for yourself. Yes? Good. Let's go to our next picture. Look what we have here. We have two little and big animals. What is this? This is an elephant. Elephant is big and huge. And what is this? Here's a little puppy sitting and looking at the elephant. We are comparing two animals. Bigger. Which is the bigger animal? Elephant. Elephant is the bigger animal. And the little puppy is smaller. So we say this elephant is bigger than the puppy or the dog. Or we say this dog is smaller than the elephant. Elephant is bigger than the dog. Or you say the dog is smaller than the elephant. Yes? Good. Let's take another picture. What are we learning? Measurement. Yes, we are learning two beautiful measurements. What are they? Bigger, smaller. Look at this picture. We have two butterflies here. We have a red one and the blue one. Two butterflies. And which is the bigger butterfly? Certainly the red and black. This butterfly is bigger because even the wings are bigger than this butterfly. This blue butterfly is smaller than this butterfly. Even the wings are smaller. Let's say this butterfly is bigger than this butterfly, or the blue butterfly is smaller than the red and black butterfly. Bigger, smaller. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here. We have two vehicles here. One is a long bus and one is a short bus. You like to go in a mini bus or a big bus? This bus is longer, bigger than this bus. This bus is smaller. This is a mini bus. This bus is smaller than this bus. Or you say this bus is bigger than this bus. We are comparing smaller one to the bigger vehicle. Bigger, smaller. Good. Let's look at our next picture. Look what we have here. You'll have to play. Like to go kicking the ball? Yes. Here you have two balls. This ball is bigger than this ball. This ball is smaller than this ball. The black and white ball is bigger than the colored ball. The colored ball is smaller than the black and white ball. What measurements are we learning? Bigger, smaller. We are comparing the two sizes. This ball is bigger than this. This ball is smaller than this. Good. Let's look at another picture. We have two airplanes here. This is a smaller airplane and this is a bigger airplane. Which one would you like to get in? This is a longer airplane than this one. This airplane is smaller than this airplane. This airplane is bigger than this airplane. We are learning bigger, smaller. Two measurements we are learning, comparing the same item. Shall we look at another picture? Good. Look what we have here. This is a big tree. So we say this tree is bigger than this plant or this tree. This is the neem tree, tomato tree. This tree is bigger than this, or you say this plant is smaller than this tree. This plant is smaller than the big tree. This tree is bigger than this plant. Yes? Bigger, smaller. Good. Shall we go to another picture? Look what we have here. We have two jugs here. Beautiful jugs. Water jugs. This is big and this is small. What measurements are we learning? Bigger, smaller. This jug is smaller than this jug. Or what else? You will say this jug is bigger than this jug. Bigger, smaller. Let's look at another picture. See what we have here? We have two teddies. Which one would you like? Would you like a smaller teddy or a bigger teddy? You say this teddy is bigger than this teddy, or this teddy is smaller than this teddy. Smaller, bigger. Which one would you like? You like the bigger teddy. Take it. The bigger teddy says, I love you. Smaller teddy also says, I love you. Smaller, bigger. Shall we take another picture? Good. Look at it. See what we have here. We have fruits here. Yummy. What is it? We have apple. We have mango. A tiny mango and a big apple. Now which fruit is bigger? The apple is bigger than the mango. The mango is smaller than the apple. Which is the bigger fruit? Apple. Which is the smaller fruit? Mango. Bigger, smaller. Smaller mango, bigger apple. Good. Let's take another picture. See what we have here. We have flowers. We have two flowers. The rose is smaller flower. This is a bigger flower. This flower is smaller than this flower. We are comparing two flowers. This flower is bigger than this flower. Smaller, bigger. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what we have. We have two umbrellas here. One baby umbrella and another big, huge umbrella. Bigger, smaller. Which one would you like? Would you like to take this smaller umbrella for yourself? Yes. The green umbrella is smaller than this umbrella. This colored umbrella is bigger than the tiny green umbrella. Bigger, smaller. This is the bigger umbrella than this. This is the smaller umbrella than this. Good. Let's take another picture. See what we have here. We have two little rats. There's a tiny mouse here and a bigger mouse here. Mama mouse and baby mouse. Yes? Now, this mama mouse is bigger than this tiny mouse. This mouse is smaller than the mama mouse. This mouse is bigger. This is smaller. This mouse is bigger than this mouse, and the baby mouse is smaller than the mama mouse. Bigger, smaller, or smaller, bigger. Are you learning the measurements? Bigger, smaller, learning to compare the same item?